Tired of copy-pasting into translators and switching tabs just to type in another language? There's a faster, smarter way, and it works everywhere you type online. The Real-Time Translator Chrome extension is your go-to tool for seamless multilingual typing. Once installed, simply click the extension icon or pin it for quick access. You can enable translation for any tab, select your source and target languages, or let it auto-detect the language you're using. Now the magic begins. As you type, your text is instantly translated in real time. Just press the tab key or click Use Translation, and it replaces your message with the translated version, ready to send. No copy-paste. No right-clicks. You can use this extension directly in ChatGPT to type and translate your prompts in real time. It works perfectly on Google Search, allowing you to enter queries in any language and see accurate results instantly. On Telegram, you can chat seamlessly with anyone in their native language without switching apps. It also supports Freelancer, so you can communicate with clients around the world using real-time translation. In fact, it functions in almost any input box on any website, whether it's a comment field, form, or search bar. You can type unlimited characters without restrictions. It supports over 20 languages, making it incredibly versatile. Your preferred language settings are saved automatically, even after restarting your browser. Plus, you can enable or disable translation for each tab, giving you full control over where it's active. Head to the Chrome Web Store, install Real-Time Translator, and experience effortless typing in any language, anywhere online.